Okay, in this video we are going to find the tangent line at x equals 2 for x squared plus 2x cubed plus x. This is an example of an AP-like problem. It's not off of an AP test, but it is provided by the College Board. So what we are going to do, there's actually an A to this problem, but A is a slope field, and slope field does not apply to the tangent line. Well, it does, but I will not be teaching that to you. Jose Padilla will be teaching that to you. So we are going to solve for the tangent line, and then down here, I don't know if you can see it, we will approximate 2.04. So we'll do this first, and then I'll approximate it afterwards. So just go ahead and follow along. So the first step, as I have taught you, is take the derivative of this function. So f prime of x equals 2x plus 6x squared plus 1. Okay, so now you'll plug in 2. So you'll do f prime of 2 equals 4 plus 4 times 6, which is 24, plus 1, so equal 29. So now that you find the slope, you just need to find the y value. And like I taught you before, in order to find the y value, you just plug 2 into the original equation. So you have 4, so you have f of 2 equals 4 plus 16 plus 2, which would be 22. So now you can just set up the equation. So that's very simple. Y minus 22 equals 29 times x minus 2. So it's very simple, very easy for that step. We'll convert it in the next step. So we'll do that. I'll erase this right now and then show you that so that you can do it. And so here we go. So you're going to approximate 2.04 with this equation right here. So y minus 22 equals 29 times x minus 2. So y minus 22, oops, sorry about that, equals 29x minus 29 times 2 is 58. Okay, and then you add 22 to the other side, you would get 36. So y equals 29x minus 36. Okay, so now you just plug 2.04 into that equation. So you would get y, hold on, let me write this. Y equals 29 times 2.04 minus 36. So 29 times 2.04 minus 36 would equal 23.16. Okay, so we know that is the value. So that is your approximation. These problems for the AP test are actually quite easy. You should be able to get them on the AP test. They're more or less one of the easiest problems on the test. So just make sure you know how to do it. It's very easy steps. They make sense as long as you know what the derivative means. Derivative is the instantaneous rate of change or the slope at that specific point. So you just have to know how to take the derivative, plug in points. Very simple math, just don't make any mistakes. And pay attention to your work. I'm not the best at that, as Mr. Nelson can tell you. Also don't have the nicest handwriting, as you can see for yourself, but I have provided more videos below and more links to practice problems so you can practice yourself. It shouldn't take that long to get a hang of.